Hi, welcome to AGF, the online video courses and video lectures for GATE examination preparation. This is all about me, myself Rishabh Raj, and I have cleared the GATE exam with All India rank of 3rd. And this is about my colleague and my partner in preparing this course material for you people, whose name is Abhinav Tamrekar, and he has secured All India rank 7th in GATE examination. And whatever we both have followed the techniques and whatever the study materials and whatever the our preparation strategy for GATE, we will share with all everything with you people. First of all, I would like to make it clear that we both have not joined any coaching institute and nothing for our GATE preparation. We have simply studied by ourselves and we have shared our preparation strategy with each other. And so I will recommend you all to follow the whatever we told. We will genuinely try to help you and tries to enhance your GATE preparation. And this is the syllabus of GATE examination, which starts with engineering mathematics. And friends, as you can see here that the engineering mathematics syllabus consists of linear algebra, calculus, vector, differential equation, probability, statistics. And for this, we have studied, we will tell you exactly that what is our preparation strategy for mathematics. I have scored out of 15 marks questions in GATE examination. I have scored 13.66, means my one question is incorrect and 0.33 marks of that is deducted as negative marking. And this is the study material which we have followed. We have followed the MEDIZ engineering mathematics book for practice. You can purchase it, either you can purchase it or you can, if any of your friend have this book, then you can take the xerox from him. And this is for practice. And for theoretical portion, you don't have to read so many books, so many lengthy books. You don't have to waste your time there. You can simply study from YouTube. A very good channel I will recommend you, that is Lecture Tube for theoretical portion of mathematics. Lecture Tube channel consists of engineering mathematics playlist, which has 98 videos for whole engineering mathematics for GATE syllabus. And this is sufficient and it will provide sufficient theory to you people so that you can practice from MEDIZ engineering mathematics books. And this channel we are recommending you, not that we have any profit or anything with that channel. We have studied from there, so I will recommend you to study from there. Now come to the agriculture core subject syllabus. First of all, it will come with farm machinery, which is machine design. For machine design, you should study the theoretical portion from Sanjay Kumar numerical approach book. The Sanjay Kumar numerical approach book, I think it has given almost 60 to 70% of the theory, and the remaining portion you can study from R.S. Khurmi theory of machine book, and its chapter number is 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 16th and 18th. And remember friends, this chapters you have to study only theory. You don't have to solve so many problems are given in this book, so many lengthy problems that are not for us, that are for mechanical engineering students. So you have to follow only the theory of that book. You can complete the theory of this topic from Sanjay Kumar numerical approach and theory of machine R.S. Khurmi book. Now coming to farm machinery. For farm machinery, you should study Sanjay Kumar numerical approach book once again, because that is very good book. It consists of almost 60-70% of theoretical portion of farm machinery, and plus along with that book you can study the theory from Das and Mohanty book. When you purchase the Das and Mohanty book, or either you will take its PDF from internet or from somewhere, then in the starting of this book some theory is given. You read that theory very carefully, because that is very much helpful and very much conceptual. Nowhere else you can find such type of theory. So you can complete the farm machinery portion from this from these both books, and you can study Jagdishwar Sahai book also, that is you are studying for your semester examination. So you have I am supposing that you have basic concepts of farm machinery. And now coming to farm power. For farm power, it's complete. There are 4 topics in farm power: sources of farm power, tractor and power tillers. For this complete portion, you should have to follow one and only one book. That is Tractor at a Glance by Sanjay Kumar. That is sufficient. That is just a very good book. You can't compare. No other book can compare with that book. That much of best material it is provided in Sanjay Kumar Tractor at a Glance. So you should fully read that book, thoroughly read that book. Now coming to soil and water conservation. For fluid mechanics, you should follow the study material, whatever study material you have studied in your BTech, in your BTech for semester examinations. In first year, you have studied the fluid mechanics, so you can use that material. Along with that material, you have to read the theory from Sanjay Kumar numerical approach book. You can combine both these materials for theory, because Sanjay Kumar numerical approach give 50% theory, and remaining 50% you can cover from your study material or book, whatever you have followed for your semester examination. And now coming to soil mechanics. Soil mechanics you should study from Sanjay Kumar numerical approach book fully, because some portion of theory is covered in that book, and remaining portion you should study from your study material or book, whatever follow in your college for semester examination. That is sufficient for soil mechanics, because you don't go much, so you don't go in so much depth in soil mechanics, because it will simply waste your time. Because soil mechanics has so much vast. There is one book of BC Purnia that is given in very much depth. You have to read only the basics of that book. That is especially designed for civil engineers, not for us. So you should cover only basic of that book, and you should cover fully Sanjay Kumar numerical approach book. That problems are also given in that book. You can cover that also. And for hydrology, I would recommend you to study K. Subramaniam book. That is very good book, and because hydrology we have so many terms you can't understand if you have not studied it properly, or if you have not get the proper depth knowledge, then you can't understand the different types of terms like time concentration, direct runoff hydrograph, effective rainfall, ordinates of unit hydrograph. There are so many terms, confusing terms. So you should study from K. Subramaniam book, which will clear your concept. And for surveying and leveling, you should read simply. In first year you have studied surveying and leveling, so you should simply follow whatever the course material for your semester examination you have followed. You can simply once see, because so not so much questions are coming from this portion. Only simple questions, either questions are from bearings, or from different types of errors, or sometimes leveling questions are coming, which are in readings we have to take. You don't need so much of theory from this portion, so you can easily study from your semester study material. Now for soil and water erosion. For soil and water erosion, you can follow Vivian Murthy book. This is the best book for soil and water erosion. Not even soil and water erosion, but irrigation and drainage. For irrigation and drainage, there are 5 topics like soil water plant relationship, irrigation water conveyance, agriculture drainage, groundwater hydrology, wells and pumps. For these all topics, you should totally follow the Vivian Murthy book. No need to study anything from anywhere. Simply follow each and every line of Vivian Murthy book. That is sufficient for GATE examination. And for now coming to food processing. For food processing, there are 4-5 topics like drying, size reduction, conveyance, processing, product utilization, storage, heat and mass transfer, preservation, and food kinetics. For these all portions, you should one and only go to MD Irfan Ansari book. that is no need to study anywhere food processing. MD Irfan Ansari, whatever you have read for your semester, that is another thing. That doesn't matter for GATE. You can simply study for your semester, but for GATE preparation, MD Irfan Ansari book is the best book, and you don't have to solve all the problems of MD Irfan Ansari book, because there are so many in each chapter. There are almost 150 to 200 problems are given in some chapters, so you don't have to solve all those 150 or 200 problems. You should have to solve only the problems are coming which are coming in the GATE examination from since 1988 to 2020. Whatever the problems are coming in the GATE examination, you have to solve it, each and every problem, with proper concept, not only simply just mugging the problems or mugging the solution. You should follow each and every concept. You should be conceptually so much sound, so that you can perform at your full potential in the examination. And this is about this which I and my friend, we both have felt that the most important portion is this one, that you should make your self notes. I will once again I will recommend you, please and please make your self notes, because without self notes you can't perform well in the examination. Because suppose you have 6 months to 6 months or 8 months to prepare for the examination from now. You can prepare, you can study so many things, but when you have 1 month or 15 days before the examination, you have to need a notes, that so that you can revise. Suppose this time you have so much time, you should study from so many sources, but how to, when we have to summarize these all things, when we have to sum up, when we have to execute our plan, then you need something which is in confined form, not in different forms. You should need something which is present in one copy or one notebook, like that. So you should prepare your self notes, because, and trust me, if you follow all these things, you will definitely get rank under top 20, or means definitely under top 10 also, if you follow and if you have solved everything with proper guidelines. And once again I will recommend you to please and please make your self notes, because without self notes you can't get proper time and proper management for your for your for your last time revision. Because revision is the how much you need for study. If you don't revise it, just simply your rank will be not be good. So you should, whatever you have studied, revise everything. So you should make your self notes, you should not simply copy someone notes. Okay, now once once again I will thank you guys. Next we are uploading the video of GATE 2020 agriculture engineering GATE exam solutions. All the questions should be solved properly and in proper manner, and the solution and each and every concept should be detailed explained in those solutions. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that if we next upload within 1 or 2 days, the next video will come, so you can get notification and you can enhance your performance. Thank you, that's all.